Stir up your power, Lord, to hold the weak. Make crooked things be straight and strong and true. Let even fools learn what the wise ones seek. Rekindle love and all our hearts renew. Stir up your power, Lord, to clear our way. Make straight the passage of our wandering walk. Turn guilty night into repentant day. May peaceful prayer replace our idle talk. Jesus, come as once you came before. Spirit, fall as once you fell before. Father, bless as once you blessed before. We want more. Oh Lord, there must be more. Stir up your power, Lord, to take your throne. Please show the world today what's always been, that eyes may see just what our faith has known, that all the earth may now be freed from sin. Jesus, come as once you came before. Spirit, fall as once you fell before. Father, bless as once you blessed before. We want more. Oh Lord, there must be more. Stir up your power, Lord, to guide us home. For guilty we have fled from beauty's face. We've chosen dry and trackless paths to roam. Oh Lord, please draw us to your holy place. Jesus, come as once you came before. Spirit, fall as once you fell before. Father, bless as once you blessed before. We want more. Oh Lord, there must be more. We want more. Oh Lord, there must be more.
Thank you.